Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to move this logo over here, over here, over here, whichever way you want it. So to start, there's going to be 3 clips that you're going to have to undo. First one's going to be on the bottom, the opposite of the AMD logo. You're going to pop the bottom one off. Then you're going to pop one of the sides off. And you're going to work your way to that third one. Once you pop this clip off, you're just going to set it to the side. You're going to unreveal these 4 screws. I already took 2 of them off. Now that you pop this off, this piece right here that this fan mounts to is a square, so you can rotate it any direction. So I'm gonna go ahead and rotate mine how I want it, which is just basically where it's lined up with the AMD logo in between the 2 black screws. Now that we have all 4 of the screws mounted, we can now clip the AMD logo back on.